Hello everyone, I'm Rob Smith, this is Mr. Black, the Strat Time Report, and we're starting off new week, and so we knew on Friday we bled out. Here was our broadening formation, bled out hard, and now it's just kind of going sideways to start off the week because we knew coming in we're a lot closer to taking out last week's lows than last week's highs, right? We knew that. So it just pokes down a little bit, now just kind of sitting here, not figuring out what it wants to do. So we've got the end of the month. We know that. Setting up potential for the Rev Strat month, although we got a few more days left. So we want to see if positive, if we get back through this, like so. If not, so far, just sitting down here. And you'll see price discovery start over again. So here's the morning broadening formation. I think it came up just shy here. Let's see here. 404.52. 404.44, so it's lower high. So really just kind of meandering around in here. If we go to QQQ, here you can see a little worse. It's lower down here, just doji on the day. So, you know, when you come out here and you start on a Monday, we want to see what they do first, and we knew that they're going to be a lot closer to taking these weeklies low, take out the weekly low. Then you come in on Tuesday, what do you do with this? Do you 2-2? Or a 3-2-2 back up, or you keep going. So we got some day left, and we got some weakness in the tech, and we'll get to that in just a second, as well as a lot of things going out towards the lows of the month as we come into the end of the month. If we go to Dow Jones Diamonds, here everything looking a little similar, a little stronger here, and you can see this. Higher high, the lower low. Your broadening formation to start the week in the diamonds. If we go to the small cappers, and small cappers here also setting up the Rev Strat monther. A lot of things looking real similar here. So like when we come out on Tuesday, we want to see who's one of these things is not like the other. So what we do know is crude staying firm here, 322 on the day and coming up, and that gives us all the XLEs we've been watching. And the XLE we know have been their strength. Go back to 50, 60. Now just a couple hours stuck in here, so we'll see. So, you know, one of the things about charting is that, you know, software is going to present it the way it wants. So here you can see the 322 reversal on the month. And we're looking to go back to take these highs out. You're just running out of time, right? So on a 2-month chart, still working on this thing. So we'll keep on that. And that's pretty much all the OIHers here, inside 60. So let's see if we can go slab. Here, trying. Halliburton, you do anything? Stock. So we got a lot of those inside 60s. I had a nice Emerald Hess here. Still inside, but still working these monthlies. Fang Energy, it's just all these 60s just getting stuck here. Fang Energy up there, Exxon, you know, right down the line. PXD, EOG, Conoco, all your faves. And then it tells us, we also want to look at the refiners and see how that's doing. Valero. All right, we're getting a lot of stuck inside 60 stuff here, so to start off the day a little slow. From last week, Nerve still going. NERV now and inside 60, like a lot of things, just kind of stalling out with this sleepy market. Market's starting to sell off here just a little bit at the bottom of the hour. You know, we're always watching that as what we call the flip. And right now they're starting to come in a bit. CCJ just kind of stuck in here in the 60s too. Just had a nice morning and now stuck. Like I said, besides the energies, not too much. Scorpion Tankers had a nice morning. Now stalling out with market STNG. McKesson was doing all right. MCK now just stalling out with the market. EXTR. That's why, like I always say, you know, on Mondays we usually do the least. We want to see what's the first opening punch of the week, and then either they come back and continue what they do on Monday, or they negate it, right? And that's where you get your turnaround Tuesdays, and that's what we keep an eye on for. So if we go to GRIN, Gap and hold so far. We'll see. That's still that 2-2 reversal month. You got a little bit of month left on that. Did gap, but it is inside weekend up, and it has been higher. So we can keep an eye on that to see if that sets up. On the downside, some more of the usual suspects in tech, and Dow Jones being lifted by the energies, but Triple M, remember, getting sued. Triple M getting sued, so they're still down. So they're still having some issues here. That 3-2 day down. But like I said, big cap tech, SMHers. SMH getting hit, looking like a lot of things in here. So now you've got NVIDIA. NVIDIA coming down with the gang, Texas Instruments. So you can just go around the horn on all those kind of things. Microchip. Here, coming down, you've got Adobe. You got CRM. And you can go to Meta. All this kind of stuff starting off the week, weekly, the week, if you will. You also have Bristol Myers. And Bristol Myers coming down here. So Bristol Myers, a few the proud, the 312 month or the downside, just running out of month. We did also have some weakness in insurance names early on, but now they're trying to recover here. KIE, so we saw like HIG and Travelers were down, but now they're recovering. So a lot of these things just kind of meandering and going sideways in here, trying to figure out what they really want to do. Like I said, that when we came in this morning, over the weekend, we pretty much knew we were going to try and at least take out last week's lows. Now, how do we set up the month? Right now, for today, we gap down, come back, then down, then up, and just back and forth action so far. So we're not really sure. So we'll keep an eye on this range in here, in the SPY, and see what happens when we take that out. Does that run the energies? Or if we take that out, does that hit the tack? And take them back down towards the lows. So right now, you got a new 60. Few minutes in, but you can see started to back off on here. Right, still couldn't take that out. So, like says, we're pretty much stuck right here for right now. So we'll see. But the new 60 coming out. Apple, how you doing, buddy? Okay, and Apple just doji on the day after a gap down. So there's a lot of that kind of stuff going. So we will keep an eye on this range, and then like we always do on a Tuesday. What side of this thing do we take out? All right, nice and short and sweet today, but that's all I got. All right, that's going to do for today. I'm Rob Smith, the Smith of the Lack, the Strat time report.